Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 8 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open our browser. In my case, it will be Google Chrome, but no worries. Basically, this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it based on this video. So as I said, let's open the browser and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Here we have to enter the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. However, let's be honest, if you've got this list really long, it is not really the best option to remove it manually. What is more, if you want to delete some advanced browsing data, simply tap on this option at the top, so clear browsing data. And here we've got some basic options which are currently marked and advanced options which are under it. So we can remove, among others, browsing history and cookies inside data, but also saved passwords and autofill from data. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time or 7 days, up to you. So let me pick all time and then simply tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.